Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the world of OER, Open Educational Resources, but not just how to find them. We're talking about how to evaluate them like a pro. Imagine making dinner for a big group, family, friends, maybe even some picky eaters. You've got your recipes ready, but then you realize you're missing some key ingredients. Would you throw in random ingredients without checking if they're fresh or even edible? Of course not. Well, that's exactly what it's like when you drop random OER into your course without checking the quality. Stick around till the end because I'm sharing exactly how to evaluate OER like a pro, so your course doesn't turn into educational mystery stew. So you're probably thinking OER is awesome, right? Free, accessible, flexible, and you're absolutely right. OER has the potential to revolutionize education, making learning more equitable and engaging. But here's the thing, not all OER is created equal. Some resources are top tier, carefully crafted with learning objectives in mind, aligned with accessibility standards, and just a joy to learn from. Others, let's just say they belong in the recycle bin. By taking the time to evaluate and select high-quality resources, you're keeping your course credible, engaging, and inclusive for all learners. Okay, so how do we actually evaluate OER? Is it just a gut feeling? Well, it's a bit more systematic than that. Over the years, educators and instructional designers have identified key criteria that signal high-quality OER. Let's break it down. First up, accuracy. Is the information up-to-date, evidence-based, and free from errors? Next, relevance. Does the OER align with your learning objectives and the needs of your students? Is it culturally relevant? We also have accessibility. Is the OER designed in a way that all learners can access and engage with it? And let's not forget, pedagogical effectiveness. Does the OER actually promote learning? Remember, evaluating OER is like putting together a puzzle. All these pieces need to fit together to create a complete and effective learning experience. Tools for evaluating OER. Now, you're not going to be evaluating OER based on vibes alone. Luckily, there are some fantastic tools out there to help you make informed decisions. One of the most popular tools are rubrics. These are essentially checklists or scoring guides that outline specific criteria for evaluating OER. Another great option is peer review. Get together with colleagues and review each other's OER selections. And of course, don't forget about tech checks. Make sure that the OER you choose is compatible with your learning management system and accessible on various devices. The key is to be systematic. Use the tools available to you and always prioritize the needs of your learners. Quality OER equals better learning. Look, I get it. As educators, we're always juggling a million things. Lesson planning, grading, meetings, the list goes on. But here's the thing. Integrating OER is about so much more than just saving money. When you apply quality checks, you're not just using what's available. You're choosing what's effective. And that's how you build trust with your learners. They know you're putting in the effort to curate valuable resources that will actually help them succeed. By selecting high-quality OER, you're empowering your students to learn deeply, think critically, and reach their full potential. So tell me, what's one OER quality tip you wish everyone followed? Or, let's have some fun with this. What's the wildest OER fail you've seen? Drop it in the comments below. I'm genuinely curious. If this video helped you approach OER evaluation with more confidence, give it a like so I know to make more videos like this. And hey, don't keep these tips to yourself. Share this video with your design team, your teaching buddies, anyone who could benefit from a little OER quality boost. I hope this video helped demystify the world of OER quality assurance. Remember, just like you wouldn't use expired ingredients in your cooking, you don't want to use subpar OER in your courses. Taking the time to evaluate your resources ensures that you're providing your students with the best possible learning experience. If you have any questions or want to share your own OER evaluation experiences, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Remember, at Digital Education Zone, we ensure your creativity and innovations are simplified.